Hello guys, welcome to the 2025. This is an Eco smallest van actually. I'm sorry. This is the Eco Cargo YM 2025. See, this is a 1.2 liter 4-cylinder engine. So okay, let's check the exterior features of this vehicle, guys. As you can see in the front side, there is a fog lamp, halogen headlight, halogen signal light. Then plastic lang yung radiator grill, black bumper. Wala siyang fender, pero napakaliit lang yung ano niya, guys. Yung tires, steel wheels, drum brakes, disc brakes, guys, disc brakes. 155 R13 tires, guys. Tapos yung suspension niya, ayan, may coil spring. Okay? Tapos dito yung door handles niya, guys, black plastic. Tapos yung alagay niya ng gasolinahan. Interiors, we'll check about later. Let's check first here. See? Very smooth. Ganyan. Tapos ito yung sa likod. Mayroong 155 R13 tires din, steel wheels. Tapos drum brakes. Tapos yung tinan mo yung ano niya, suspension. Diba? Galing. So sa rear, kung makikita mo, mayroon siyang high mount stop lamp. Mayroon na ding rear window defogger. Wala lang wiper. So dito, rear combination light, Eco stickers, and Suzuki emblem with rear camera na, guys. See? Rear camera with manual opener. Tapos may rear reflectors, then rear sensors, two rear sensors only. Then mayroong exhaust. Okay, guys. Alright, guys, let's check the interior features of this smallest cargo truck, but very impressive. Pero tingnan nyo, guys, napakaswabe. Door opener, pero hindi siya ganun ka-expensive. Manual. Tapos mayroong rear vents, then special buttons. This is manual transmission, guys. So, ano pa? Natay. Sun visor. Center mirrors. Tapos hazard light. Hazard, then air vents. Then manual AC ventilation adjustment. Tapos meron siyang entertainment system na maliit. Then yan, then cup holders. And this is 4-speed manual transmission. Handbrake, manual handbrake. Okay. Leather seats, guys, leather seats. May airbags doon. Airbags. So, ang steering wheels niya, guys, ganito. Okay, let's check the engine of this vehicle. Just pull this lever. Then ganyan. Okay. Yan. Ganyan kaganda, guys. Oil. Engine coolant only. Tingnan natin, guys, what is inside in the cargo. Wow. So, pwede kang umupo ng ganyan. Then, meron siyang, mga compartment dito na maliit-liit. Tapos, meron siyang fire extinguisher. See? Tingnan mo. Oops. Ganyan lang yung headroom niya. So, ito, pwede mo to siyang ma-adjust. Ganyan. Itong mahila, guys. Pwede to siyang mahila dito. Hindi ko lang matanggal. So, ganyan. Meron siyang ilaw din. Alright, if you are new to my channel, to our channel, please don't forget to like, hit that subscribe button, and press that notification bell for you to notify. Hanggang sa muli. Alright guys, abangan nyo ang next on-road testing natin sa lahat ng variant na ito. Okay, let's go!
Yeah, life's about just finding that right balance.